Hey everybody, today we are doing a cane seat replacement. So at first I mark my centers, I lay out my caning over the seat, make sure it's centered, and then I use my caning pegs to hold it into place. Once we sort of get things situated, I remove all the loose strands going around the edges. That helps me to get it into the groove, the spline groove a little more easily. Um, and I have some couple specialty tools I'll put in my link tree if you're interested in doing a cane seat replacement. That way you know where to find them. But I basically work my way around using the pegs to get the pressed cane into the groove. As I get it into the groove all the way around, I'll start by putting my cane spline in there, and I'll also say the caning and the spline were both soaked in water for a few minutes to make them a little more easy to go around the grooves. So we put Type Bond 3 down into the groove and we hammer the spline on top of that. Do that all the way around. So once you get your caning spline into the groove all the way around the chair seat, the last thing to do is to go around with a really sharp chisel and carefully knock off all the excess caning material. And just do that very carefully, work yourself all the way around, and that's basically all there is to it. Thank y'all so much for checking out our video today. If you want to see full-length videos, check out our YouTube page, and we hope to see y'all in the future. Thanks, and see y'all next time.